Hi wig friends, welcome back to Vanish into Thin Hair. I am so glad that you're here and I am very excited to give you all the details about the wig that you see me wearing right now. It's time for some details on the fantastic cap that this wig comes on, but before we do that, I took her off and wanted to show you that beautiful coloring in front of the window, natural lighting once again. A look at that beautiful scalp, the natural looking scalp. You can see my finger run along in there. It's so transparent and so natural. Absolutely love it. Now here comes the good stuff. So let's go over the details of this cap and let's start with this 10x6 transparent Swiss lace parting area. That means anywhere in this area, like that is a huge area. You can part this wig and get a natural looking scalp. That's going to give a lot of options for if you want a deep side part it down the middle, wherever you want, and you're going to get that beautiful flawless scalp that I showed you. You have a temple to temple lace front, absolutely gorgeous. You have combs at both temples. And this is something that was very interesting to me and the first time I had seen it. These combs are Velcro. So you can just take those off if you don't want to use the combs. Like a lot of times I don't use the front combs. I just use the comb at the nape. You can just unvelcro it and remove it. No like thread remover needed or anything. I mean, that was a super big plus to me when I saw that. You have a closed wefted back. And you have an extra security strap. And if you've never had a wig with one of these, I highly recommend them. This makes your wig feel so snug and so secure and like it's not going anywhere. And on the cap size on this, I ordered cap size 1. And that was to fit 21.5 inches to 22 inches. And it has something else I've never seen before either, which is you can make this wig circumference smaller by just pulling the string and then moving the little ball down, and it will hold the circumference where you move it to, so you can make the wig bigger or smaller just using this one little pull strap at the back. I just love it when wig makers are innovative and have something that I've never seen before. It makes it just that much more exciting to try something new and see how it works. And I did have to tighten this for my circumference, and I've done the whole rest of the video, and I've been wearing it around my house today, and it has not budged. It hasn't loosened. It hasn't become bigger. So this handy dandy thing right here has worked out great for me. There is also another removable comb at the back of the wig. So if you have bio hair, you can tuck that in. If you have your bio hair in a ponytail in the back, you can just tuck this comb under it, and that gives you even more security. So many great features of this cap and such a big parting area. I'm absolutely thrilled with it.